Follow the steps on how to make a glowing image like this using Photoshop. Let's start by creating a new document. I use the YouTube thumbnail size. First, insert a background image. Add color lookup and select Moonlight mode. Also add levels and set it to darker. Select layers and groups. Next, insert a subject image. Enable Select and Mask. Select Subject. Set the output to New Layer. Delete this. Select and add brightness. And vibrance. Click Background and add a new layer. Activate the brush and adjust it like this. Start coloring in the picture. Reduce the brush size and color again. Repeat again. Now add white color. Increase the flow value. Select Layer and change it to Linear Dodge. Press Ctrl-J to duplicate. Click here and add a new layer. Activate the brush and adjust it. Choose a color and start making lines. Now activate the smudge tool and adjust it. Make it like this. Change to linear dodge. Duplicate. Previously, I will change the appearance of the layer to make it look smaller. Hold Ctrl and select layer. Right-click and link layers. Now the image can be moved, and you can put text here. Reselect all these layers and make them into one group. Finished. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.